Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm just going to show you a quick little how-to on how to do a Hot Wheels wheel swap. So this one isn't really required, this part, but if you want to, you can get some nail polish remover with acetone and like a paintbrush, and just get some on the end of it, the paintbrush, and just go around here, the blister here, until it's pretty damp, and then you can just pop your car out like this, so you can put it back later, which is pretty handy. Then you can put them back in a protector and it looks kind of cool. But yeah, and then you can just glue them back after you're done. Alright, I got a Nissan Proto Z here, and what you guys want to do first is you guys want to get a drill bit. Let me find one real quick. This one is already kind of done, but you guys want to get a big enough drill bit just to take off that big old mushroom head there on both rivets. Right there. I'm going to take just the mushroom off. And then once you get the mushroom off, the size really doesn't matter. It can depend on the car, but once you get the mushroom off, here, hold on, I gotta pull out some of my tools. And you guys want to get your other drill bit, and after you pull apart the body and stuff, like an example, I mean this one isn't done, but these are ones that I've done out here, but an example, you just need to get the head off, the mushroom, you're going to pull your car apart, and then just take everything off, and then grab like a paper towel or something, and then put that down, and then put it down, and then take your drill bit, the smaller one. I did a 256 drill bit and tap set that I use. I put a little piece of tape on this to mark where the depth is for my screws. So I just drill in, and this one's done already pretty much. You drill all the way in until your marker comes up, and then you grab your tap and you can just tap it out. I'll pull out mine quick. Take your tap and you just tap it in, screw it in, and then once you're done with that, pretty much done with the body, you can start to put that back together. I mean, this one was kind of easy because the drill bit went right through that. And then you're going to take your things, or your base. You're going to take your pliers then, or you can just pop them out, but I like this because they come out evenly. You can just take it, kind of open them up, get right under there, and you just pop them out on both sides here. Alright, once you get both of your plastic wheels out, you can take your little pliers. I mean, this step really helps, but get them in that groove and just use it to open up the little plastic posts up a little bit more. And then you should be able to then just pop in your new wheels right away. But on some cars, I really don't have a loose one or an example right now, but there's usually right here, right where my file is, there's usually like a little bubble thing, and that can stop the wheels from fitting. So instead of just chopping it up, I just take a file and I file it down on all of them until they're nice and smooth, or until my wheels fit. And then when they fit, you just pop right in nice, and then you can pretty much just put your car back together. Looks pretty cool. I think it looks a little better than the stock plastic wheels, but yeah. And then you can take your screws and then just screw them right back in. Your size for screwdrivers depends on what screws you use. these are just regular 256 screws to go with my 256 drill bit and tap set. But yeah, any nice drill works. Yeah, and then it looks nice and clean. Hopefully it focuses. It looks nice and clean, little silver screws in there that hold it together. Really nice. And it rolls pretty good too. So yeah, that's how to wheel swap a Hot Wheel. And then where do you get the rubber wheels? Sometimes you can just drill out the premium ones in the store, and you can just rob the wheels off of those, but they have metal bases, so you can't just pop out the wheels. You gotta cut the little plastic or the metal things that hold down the wheels. Or you can go on eBay or Amazon and you can pick up some wheels. They're kind of cheap, kind of expensive, depends on what brand or ones you want, but yeah, I've done some other wheel swaps too. I'll just run through these quick in case you guys want. These ones are Hot Wheel wheels. The other ones are some random brand from online. This one's a complete paint job and taillights are done, but yeah, they're all the nice clean chrome button head screws. This one's cool. A little black CRX with some 4 lugs, 4-spoke Skyline. You got the Supra from the 5-pack. Had to make it look better with the nice shiny wheels. This is another paint job too, and then I got like carbon on the wing from some wrap. This is pretty nice. And then Dollar General exclusive, I got some, these are actual Hot Wheel wheels that I rubbed off of Premium. These are pretty much the only 2 I got that I rubbed off of Premium these are the only 2 that I found with wheels from an actual Hot Wheel. That, yeah. So yeah, and when you're done with your wheel swap, you could take your card, maybe just like hang it up to dry it because it'll be kind of wet, but you can get nice pulls sometimes from the plastic ones if it's pretty wet. You can put your car right back in there, which would be kind of cool. But yeah, I did another one recently too, Dollar General exclusive, Integra. I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that'll be this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I need some ideas. If you guys want to see my collection or anything else, I do have another hunting video in the works. It's kind of hard to get clips. I can't really find stuff in the stores lately, but I've got some pretty good stuff. I found some Supers, some M2 chases, and things like that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.